Favorite food memory is growing up, Thanksgiving was always one of my favorite holidays, and it's because of the food. One of the greatest memories is watching my grandmother and my mom spend hours and hours in the kitchen getting ready for Thanksgiving. Everybody thinks, because I'm a chef, I'm real high-strung. I'm very, very laid back, extremely laid back. I was actually wanted to be a doctor growing up. Wanted to be a doctor going into high school. Took all the classes to prepare to be a doctor, and fell in love with this industry as well. Most likely go to either of the Milner Brothers restaurants, either Milner's on Stratford or Brothers in Clemens. Definitely my wife deserves some special recognition. She's always been there to support me through all of this, through my career. My two daughters, my mom, my dad, everybody, my whole family that supported me. Everybody from work as well. Work harder, don't play so much, but just work hard.